Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So no doubt Pepe has proved me wrong, everyone wrong. The patterns, it does look like right now Pepe is not interested to do the move to the downside, and we're looking for a good push here. And it does look on a higher time frame. You're printing in this massive left shoulder, the head here, and a probable right shoulder for Pepe. And I've actually cleared up everything, but there's one thing I want to show you, and that is if ICP comes up here and breaks this next, not ICP, Pepe. Why am I saying ICP? All right, we do have an update for that. Do watch ICP, guys. I don't know why I have ICP. Actually, it's my favorite project. What can I say? It is. You know, it's one of those coins that is about to probably make us very, very rich. Now, you do have Pepe that has the intention of coming back up to 1717, right? The threat to go down is already destroyed. We had a pattern, we had a breakdown, we had a retest, and now it actually made a fake out. So that's pretty much the summarize of the story being summarized here. What I can say is there's one more place you need to break to go back, and this is that resistance right over here. You can see that, right? So if you break above here, right, you do have this channel, and now that you are up to that resistance of the channel, let's say you break above the channel and retest it again, you could have actually see Pepe moving up to 1735. And if you break above 1735, you probably have your next target all the way to 3138 in the future. I'm just going to keep it like this, and that's all for the video. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.